Welcome to our video on the amazing benefits of Emu Oil for your skin. Emu Oil has been used for centuries for its healing properties, and today we will show you the incredible before and after results of using Emu Oil on your skin. Before we dive into the results, let's talk about why Emu Oil is so beneficial for your skin. Emu Oil is rich in essential fatty acids and antioxidants, making it a powerful moisturizer that can help improve the texture and appearance of your skin. Now let's take a look at some before and after photos of people who have used Emu Oil on their skin. You can see a noticeable difference in the hydration, smoothness, and overall radiance of their skin after just 10 minutes of using Emu Oil. Whether you have dry skin, acne-prone skin, or are looking to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, Emu Oil can help improve the health and appearance of your skin. It is a natural and effective way to nourish and rejuvenate your skin. So if you're looking for a simple and natural way to improve your skin, give Emu Oil a try. Your skin will thank you for it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more skincare tips and tricks.